This beauty is designed by a well-known Spanish architect, Pepe Rusina, and you can buy it for money. I am excited to make a review of it. Just look at it. When we talk about the villa designed by Pepe Rusina, we talk about cubism, and every detail is thought out perfectly. This massive wooden door gives a sense of security and beautiful design. The house is situated in urbanization COSTABLANCA. It is facing Benidorm and administratively situated in La Nucia. When entering the house, you meet this huge terrace. On the right side, you have a living room with a big kitchen with an island. Also on the first floor is situated a bedroom with a big wardrobe, just crazy views from this bedroom, and also there is an office. From the terrace of the first floor, you can enjoy playing on the grass of your small green yard. You also have here a pool that is connected with glass with your underground spa. Also, you have a barbecue with a dirty kitchen, a lounge area, and an outside kitchen where you can enjoy this view and this weather all year round. Let's check the interior of the house. We come into the living room. You have here TV zone, very comfortable, and a kitchen that is equipped with a top-level equipment, DD3. The kitchen island is situated so that when you cook something, you have these perfect views to Benidorm or towards the pool. As you see, all the house is constructed with high ceilings, these high doors as you see, and this bedroom of the first floor is so big and has so big wardrobe that I cannot even tell you which bedroom is my favorite, because this view is just marvelous. All this is big wardrobe, and you have here a place where you can take a shower. There is a toilet, a shower, and a place to have your evening toilet. Now let's check the second floor, where 3 bedrooms with huge bathrooms are situated, and let's use the stairs. On the third floor, we have 3 bedrooms with terraces, and each of them is with different design. So let's check and see how it is designed. When you wake up from this levitating bed, you see this panoramic view, and it is just great because you see mountains, you see the sea, the Benidorm, and there is a bathroom right in the center of this room, and a wardrobe, and a place where you can take a shower, a toilet, and as I just told you, this biggest terrace is in this room. So every morning will be perfect in this bedroom. Now entering the third bedroom, we meet such an interesting design with a transparent shower right in the center of this room. So you meet the same crazy panorama, a spacious bedroom, and this very interesting design of the shower and the toilet. Let's check the fourth bedroom. The fourth bedroom starts with a wardrobe on the left, and with the spacious bedroom has a very big shower and its own entrance to a terrace. And now let's go down to the ground floor, where there is situated spa, winery and the rest zone. The underground floor is distributed with garage, winery and spa. Let's check the winery. Here there is a wall that is cold and place where to keep a wine. And the spa is distributed with shower, with a pool and with a chill out area. Let's go and check now the garage, because it is for 2 cars and it has its electric charger. Now we are entering the most relaxing area of the house. Spa with a sauna and with the chill out area. This is space for about 70 square meters, and it has its own toilet, it has its sauna and heated pool, and also you see there is a glass that goes to the pool outside. The house is situated on a plot 1,400 square meters and has a useful area of 535 square meters and is distributed in 3 floors, has 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, has an office and has its own spa, has its sauna, 2 pools and solar panels, and fully equipped and fully furnished. So you can buy it and enjoy this perfect view, this perfect location just tomorrow. While you are pushing like to our video, I invite you to subscribe to our channel not to miss a single video about properties and areas at Costa Blanca. Also write me to direct and I will make a selection for you. Welcome!